Guys, today is October 23, 2024. Medyo maulan, may bagyo daw. So, dito tayo nagninilay-nilay sa ating bahay habang kumakain ng so, eto na nga. Kung maalala natin, yesterday ay tumugon ng challenge ni VP Sara Duterte ang mga young guns, 'di ba, ng Kamara na tinugunan ng kanyang panawagan na ayun nga, magpapa-neuropsychiatric exam siya, si Sara, live. Pero ang sabi ng magpa-drug test daw ang mga natakbong young guns. Okay, fine, kinasaan. So, kasi ang sa akin isa din ako sa naniniwalang may something-something si Sara. But I'm sorry hindi naman ako psychiatrist, hindi din ako psychologist. That's why turn up mga psychiatrists at mga psychologists dyan. Kasi isa sa mga nakita natin na isang personality disorder ni Sara Duterte ay ang tinatawag na histrionic. Ito, histrionic disorder. Accordingly, dito sa Forbes Health, kaya ko ito pinupost dahil makikita natin ang kanyang tsansa na pumasok talaga si Sara sa ganyang usapin. Accordingly, histrionic personality disorder, sometimes called dramatic personality disorder, is a mental health condition that is thought to affect around 2% of the general population. So, maaari ding ikaw at ako magkakaroon nito. Pero ang manifestation sa attitude ni Sara ay pasok na pasok, okay? So, accordingly, people with HPD can act highly emotional and tend to exhibit persistent attention-seeking behavior. Alam na this. Such as dressing or acting seductive in appropriate settings, even with people they have no romantic interest in. Crop top B. But anyway, often labeled as flirtatious, manipulative, lively, and impulsive. Individuals with HPD can be vulnerable to outside influence and dependent upon others for constant validation. So, diba, akin na nga yung tissue. Hindi naman ako nagkukuka. Sinisipon lang ako dahil sa malamig na panahon. Something like that. Anyway, the signs and symptoms of histrionic personality disorder, individual with HPD may be triggered by feelings of rejection, competition, or exclusion. Oh my God. A clinical psychiatrist in Las Vegas and a medical officer and co-founder of the Better Blah 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 may also react to simply not being the center of attention, according sabi ni Sam Sand. Okay? So, ang common signs daw and symptoms of HPD include the following. Isa-isahin natin mga igans. Highly emotional and volatile behavior. Oh my God. The Jumbagenis of the Sherifis in the Davao Cityness. Oh my G. That's one good example of volatile, what volatile is. Okay, and another thing, need to be center of attention. Oh my G. The attitude in the camera, oh my G, explains well. A need for constant validation from others. Poke! Grabe na to. Shallow seeming emotions that change quickly. So this tends to, mai-integrate natin siya sa bipolarism, but it's not. Hindi ganon. So inappropriately seductive behavior or dressed. Oh my God. The crop top ever. And the skincare. In the rays of the rising sun. Easily influenced. Utu-utuin. Preoccupied with their appearance. Oh my God. Again, the sunscreen. Diba? Inability to delay gratification. Kung sinong makakatulong nito, comment below. Strong reactions to criticism. This is it. This is it, pansit. The pa-victim stage. Oh my God. Diba? Strong reactions to criticism yan, B. Penchant for blaming failures on others. Oh my G, this is the pusit era. Again. HPD shares similar symptoms with a personality disorder, such as narcissistic personality disorder, borderline personality disorder, and dependent personality disorder, while only a mental health provider, such as psychiatrist or psychologist with expertise in treating personality disorder, can make a proper diagnosis. There are key ways to distinguish HPD from similar conditions. So turn up mga psychiatrists and psychologists, we really need your help. This time that Sarah kumakasa doon sa kanyang neuropsychiatric examination live. So, maaari ninyo sigurong tulungan ang sambayan ng Pilipino na mawari kung ano ang meron sa ating Sara Duterte. So, you can check this Forbes Health para ma-thorough read nyo din kung ano tong mga binabasa ko. That is the one of the tawag nito sources na pinag-checkan natin para talagang magkaroon tayo ng kahit kunting idea man lang what is histrionic disorder all about. Okay. So, meron dito causes of histrionic personality disorder. Maybe daw it's a childhood trauma. So, kung maalala ninyo itong childhood trauma, sabi niya, long time ago in Bethlehem, ay siya ay naging biktima ng rape na hindi niya sinasabi sa kanyang mga magulang, kay Digong Duterte at saka kay Mrs. Zimmerman, kay Ma'am Zimmerman. Okay, eto pa, second, family history of psychiatric illness or substance abuse disorder. Look at the pudra kills. Ano ang attitude ng kanyang papasang na si Rodrigo Duterte, o di ba? Sounds logical. Growing up with caregivers who are inconsistent, dramatic, or have trouble with boundaries. Ito na. So, itong mga area na to hindi natin malalaman kung sinong naging yaya ni Sara Duterte, but to think that time na meron silang kakayahan magbayad ng yayanes, so more or less baka isa din ito. Women are significantly more likely to be diagnosed with HPD. Aba, di ka malayo bro ka, pero anyway, wala akong ganun. However, research suggests that disorder may be reported in men. Meron din pala. Oo. As hyperseductive nature characteristic of HPD is the more socially acceptable in men. Oh my God. So, dito ang diagnosis, accordingly, needing to be the center of attention, which is very, very Fiona. Inappropriately seductive behavior, emotionally liability, and shallowness. O diba? Papusit ever, pag naiipit, pumupugsit. Ayun na nga. Reliance on personal appearance to garner attention. Oh my G. The very, very Sarah na walang age. The cropped up ever. And speech that lacks detail and substance. I forgo. Theatrical, dramatic displays of emotion. Oh my G. The pinagit the ulo. And may ay kwento with the grape scene. And may ay kwento with the rilo-rilo ever. So, diba, highly suggestive nature misreads the intimacy level of relationship. Oh my G, this is really... At ang masama pa dito, ang treatment daw niyan ay hindi mo masasabing meron talaga siyang histrionic disorder dahil mismo ang pasyente ay alam niya ang ginagawa niya, intentional niyang ginagawa nun. So, mahirap siyang matreat. Oh my G, very DDS-like. Come on, check this source so you can have full knowledge. At sabay tayong mananawagan na Sarah have this neuropsychiatric examinations live so we can